Hello everyone, and let's make a simple envelope icon. First we need a rectangle tool, and without fill and stroke, in my case 10 pixels, with the cap, butt cap, and this option. So just push only left mouse button and make like this one. After that we need a pen tool, and first of all at the center we make this line, and after that push escape and new one line make like this. Okay, then escape, and then do this line, and we must push escape of course, and then make a copy of this line. So we push Command C or Control C on Windows, and then Control or Command F, like this one. So we copy this line, and then right mouse button, transform, reflect, and we see vertical 90 degrees, and okay, set preview, and then turn to the right side with the left mouse button and shift, and as you can see a purple hint or line that we do it well. So this is our icon of envelope. Make a group, Control or Command G, and then object, expand, and after that in Pathfinder click here. So here it is, it's one object, our icon. Thank you for watching, see ya.